Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Today, let we start GK Unit 2, Plants and Animals, Chapter number 10, Plant Life. Darken the correct option in the circle in the OMR sheet. So, मैं यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चन है, जो MCQs है, उन पे टिक लगाऊंगी. इसको आप खुद फिल करेंगे. Which of these nuts has liquid filled in it? It is coconut. Plants that grow on dry and lake desert are called, जो डेजर्ट में होते हैं प्लांट्स वो कौन से होते हैं? वो होते हैं xerophytes. The leaves of which type of plant are often used to add flavor to dishes? Number 3, it is option C, herb. Why can't mushrooms make their own food? Because they don't have chlorophyll. Which tree has roots that grow from the underside of the branches directly to the ground? Which tree has roots that grow from the underside of the branches directly to the ground? So it is people. Number 5, option is A, not banyan. Where does the cactus plant make and store its food? Option B, stem. The food prepared by plants is in the form of simple sugar. The food prepared by plants is in the form of सिंपल. तो 7 में ऑप्शन बी शुगर बनता है प्लांट से. Which of these is another name of or toadstool? Which of these is another name for toadstool? So it is a mushroom. What is the name of the furry green or black coat that a piece of damp bread gets covered with in time? So option is B, mold. There are over dash kinds of trees in the world, 23,000. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 11. Insect eating plants. Some plants eat insects too. Match the clues of these carnivorous plants and with their pictures and name. These also pick your answer from the help box. Where is help box? The leaves of this plant look like pitchers with a flame that partly covers the top. Insects are attracted to the sugary trail of nectar. However, once they are inside, they are trapped. So these are pitcher plant. Number 2, this water plant has hollow traps that catch animals such as worms and water fleas. If an insect touches the bristle on its door, the traps opens and suck the insect in. So it is bladder wort. Number 3, the leaves of this plant are covered with a hair-like shiny substance which produces a sticky juice. This sticky juice entraps insects and they are soon digested. ये वाला plant है वो sticky juice वाला. तो ये है sundew. This one. Option D. Number 4, this plant looks like a striking cobra. The nectar in the tongue attracts the insect. It drops into water and at the bottom of the hood and is digested. So ये है cobra plant. This one. Fine. The leaves of this plant have blades. They fold together and enclose this one. Enclose the insect, a red shape digests the body. The plant dies after capturing 3 of 4 insect. है ना? So ये है हमारा last one is Venus flytrap. This one. Okay, so number 1, pitcher plant. Pitcher plant is this, bladderwort is this, sundew is this, and cobra plant is this, and Venus flypot is this. Okay, so everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 12. Medicinal plants. Plants are the sources of food, shelter, rubber, fresh air, and even medicines. Given below are the pictures of some medicinal plants and their use. So take the help of the help box to write their names. Uses in the treatment of diarrhea, okay, dysentery and vomiting. So ये है हमारा करी प्लांट, है ना, जो करी पत्ता यूज होता है. Uses in the treatment of pneumonia, cold, bronchitis and flu. Eucalyptus. Uses in the treatment of cuts and wounds as an antibiotic. Wild turmeric. Uses in the treatment of nervous disorders and intestinal infections. Number 4. Ashwagandha. Number 5. Uses in the treatment of malaria, fever and body ache. Cinchona. Uses in the treatment of skin related ailments as well as diabetes. ये है aloe vera. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 30. Special animal. There are hundreds of amazing animals around us and they are special for their characteristics. Identify the following animals with the help of their clues. It is a large ape. It has long arms and reddish hair. It inhabits Sumatra and Borneo. ये कौन सा एनिमल है? ये है ओरेंगुटन. It is a large fish. It inhabits South American rivers. It produces electricity to kill its food. This electricity also helps it in finding its way. Electric seal. Electric eel. It is a small sea fish that swims in a vertical position. Its head looks like the head of a horse. Seahorse. It is a small animal like a squirrel. It travels through the air between trees. Flying squirrel. ये है flying squirrel. It is an animal that looks like a seal. It has two long outer teeth called tusks. It inhabits Arctic regions. Walrus. It is the largest animal in the world and lives in water. Blue whale. Everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 40. The snake's world. This chapter only for reading. Snakes are carnivores, meat eaters. Snakes don't have eyelids. Snakes can't chew the food, so they have to swallow it whole. Snakes have flexible jaws, which allow them to eat prey bigger than their heads. Snakes are found on every continent of the world except Antarctica. Snakes have internal ears but not external ones. Snakes used in snake charming performances respond to movement and vibrations, not sound. There are around 3,000 different species of snakes. Snakes have a unique anatomy which allows them to swallow and digest large prey. Snakes are covered in scales. Snake skin is smooth and dry. Snakes shed their skins a number of times a year in a process that usually lasts a few days. Some species of snakes, such as cobras and black mambas, use venom to hunt and kill their prey. Pythons kill their prey by tightly wrapping around it and suffocating it in a process called constriction. Some sea snakes can breathe partially through their skin, allowing for longer dives underwater. Anacondas are large known venomous snakes found in South America, which can reach over 5 meters and 60 feet in length. Python reticulates can grow over 8.7 meters, 28 feet in length, and or are considered to be the longest snakes in the world. When snakes dive, they have a near 100% success rate. Snakes can tell the difference between natural temperature changes and body heat from prey using their sensors. So these are the snake's world. This is the snake world. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 50. Facts about mammals. A mammal is an animal that gives birth to the babies, not eggs. It feeds milk to its young ones. Mammals are the most developed creatures in the animal kingdom. Okay, this chapter only for reading. Some mammalian facts are given below. Let's read the chapter. Goliath frog is the largest kind of frog. It lives in Central and West Africa. Gorilla is a very large, powerful African ape. It is the biggest of all apes. Giraffe is the tallest mammal. Its height can grow over 6 meters. Kitti's hog-nosed bat is the lightest mammal. Its weight is under 2 grams. Killer whale is a black and white whale that eats meat. It can swim at the speed of 55 kilometers per hour. Platypus is an Australian mammal. Its body is covered with fur. It has a beak that looks like that of a duck. Everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 60. Rare animals. Identify the following using the help box. It digs a network of burrows in the grassland. It retreats underground to escape its predator. So this is Stapepica. Stapepica. Found in Alaska, this is the largest bear in the world. Its length is 2.5 meters and its weight is around 780 kg. Alaskan bear. It is among the smallest seabirds. It can fly in the worst sea storms or sit on the sea amid giant waves. Number 3. Leach's storm petrel. It is called the pirate among seabirds as it flies and peeks at other animals to make them drop their food, which it steals and eats. So number 4 is Etruscan shrew. It is the world's smallest mammal found in the southern Europe. It weighs only 8 grams and measures about 4 centimeter. Number 5 is great skua. It is a bird found in the rainforest of America. It feeds on snakes, including poisonous ones. Its call sounds slightly like the human laughter, ha ha. Number 6, laughing falcon. It is a strong animal belonging to the pig family. It can bite and kick very hard. It slashes with its tusk and runs at high speed to trample its enemy. तो ये है number 7 is wild bear. It is wild bear. It is found in East Africa. It produces a kind of milk in a big-like part of its lower throat to feed its young chicks. So the last one is laughing dove. Laughing dove. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 70. Ruminating mammals. Ruminating mammals. Ruminating mammals are special animals having 4 chambers in their stomachs. Read the clues and complete the following crossword puzzle by filling in the names of the ruminating animals. Okay, so let me start. 1. Number 2, a common domestic animal reared primarily for its milk. It's down. Cow. A very intelligent South American mammal reared for its soft wool, meat and its ability to carry load. Number 3, ये है लांबा. This animal is commonly reared for its wool, milk and meat. Number 5, sheep. 7, this goat gives us a soft wool called mohair. Number 7, Angora goat. Angora-goat. Angora goat. Number 1, called the sheep of the desert, this animal's milk is used in medicinal products in India. Camel. 1 is, where is 1? C-A-M-E-L. This animal gives us cashmere wool, which is one of the best wools in the world. So number 4, it is this one, cashmere goat. Number 6, this animal not only transports goods across the mountain passes but also gives fiber, milk and meat. याक, ठीक है ना, ये याक है, Y-A-K, याक. Number 8, a South American animal smaller than a llama, reared for its soft wool. ये है alpaca. PACA. Okay, so everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 18. Aquatic secrets. Aquatic life holds many secrets with it. Let's unveil these secrets hidden in the deep. See, read the secrets and write the names. Use the help box. Their 10 arms surround their mouths, and all the arms bear sucker. ये है squid. हाँ, squid. These irregular shaped animals have an internal skeleton of limestone or silica. Sponges. This fish blows up its body like a balloon to scare its enemies. This way the enemy can't swallow it either. Puffer fish. The skeleton of this animal is seen outside its body. It may be soft, horny or stony. Number 4, ये है coral. This round or diamond-shaped fish has tail stings which are poisonous. Number 5, ये है stingray. This is a stingray. Number 6, this prettiest of all fishes is the butterfly fish. Number 7, these fishes have bones near their tails which as a sharp as a surgeon's knife. Surgeon fish. Okay, so everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 20. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 19. Alligator's world. Let's learn about the fascinating world of alligators. Alligator word search. In the word search, find the words written below it. The words may also be put horizontally, vertically or backwards. So let me start. Carnivores. Okay. Gator. Teeth. Now next one. Hunter. Armored. ठीक है ना. Now next है hunter, reptile, swamps. Next one is swamps. Where is it? This one. Swamps. ठीक है. Write T for true and F for false. Question number 2. Write T for true and F for false. Alligators are extinct. It is false. Alligators live all over the United States. It is false. And alligators eat turtles, snakes, bats, and rarely humans. Yes, true. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 20. Snowy Regans. Identify these animals and write their names in the blanks with the help of the help box. Also, fill the correct letter next to the descriptions of these animals given below. It has brown cat in summer, which turns to a thick white coat in winter. It helps it to camouflage in the snow. Arctic fox. A. Arctic fox. जो A picture है उसमें. The broad flat hooves of this reindeer help it to walk on snow. Caribou. बर्फ में चलने में जो हेल्प करता है, ये है कैरिबो, स्नोवी ऑल, ऑर्का, एल्बाट्रोस, रेनडियर. द ब्रॉड फ्लैट हूव्स. ओके, ये है हमारा एफ. तो ये है कैरिबो. ऑप्शन एफ. This bird is found on in Arctic in summer. It is brownish with dark spots and stripes. But in winter, it turns completely white. So 3, ये है C. Snowy owl. Brownish with dark spots. यस, ये है ऑप्शन सी. थर्ड, स्नोवी आउल. सी. Snowy owl. This one is easily identified by its destructive black and white body. It hunts dolphins, seals, penguins, and even other whales. So, option D, and it is a orca. D, ये है orca. It is the largest seabird in the world. Option B, ये है albatross. B, they have long tusks which protect them from other animals. They live in herds. Walrus. This one, option E, ये है walrus. Okay? So everyone, this chapter is in here. So students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you.